guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Saturday pa rin. Saturday, July 30, 2022. Nanggaling kami dun sa aming colony guys, naglinis kami pero naguto. So we're gonna have a break time. So now we're driving. We're gonna go to Burger King. Bili kami ng lunch doon 3 p.m. Actually magpo-4 na ng hapon and hindi pa kami nag-lunch, so maghahanap tayo ng pagkain doon, and then after that we're gonna buy paint para mag-paint na daw kami doon sa labas ng aming tiny house para matapos na siya. So ang daming ganap and it's nice because tomorrow is day off pa rin ako. So, yeah. So, hopefully matapos namin yung aming goal for today and tomorrow. And, yun. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa Denmark, guys. As in, sobrang init. Parang feeling ko mas mainit pa siya compare sa Pinas. Kasi walang masyadong wind. Init lang talaga. And that's why Martin is eating a lot of this too. You know, kasi sobrang mainit. Even for me na Filipina, mainit talaga. So, yun. And dahil kuripot kami, nagdala kami ng sarili naming drinks. Asan ba yung mga drinks namin? Basta may mga, nandito yung mga drinks namin. May iced tea, may Foxy Condi. Foxy Condi yun yung parang Sprite ba? Iba din sa atin. Yung medyo mura. So, yun. And then, so, yung plano is bibili lang kami ng I think burger for Martin. I'm not really into burgers, so I'm just gonna have the crispy chicken. And let's see. Yun. Guys, ito na guys. Nasa lang kami parking lot kasi ang daming tao sa loob. Nakain tayo. Namsi. Sarap. Ito yung view namin while eating. Ang init.